Hey guys, R5 here, and today I want to make an overhead death GUI. So let's get into it. I want to first add a part. Let's bring here. I want to change the size of this. And then I'm going to add a Billboard GUI with an image label inside of it. Now, we're going to change the size of this to 50 by 50, 50 by 50. By the way, this is offset. And then now I need a death icon. So what I'm going to do is I want to place this part. I already prepared one, which would be right here. Yes, that's good. I'm going to copy the ID and I'm going to put it, oops, I'm going to put it into the image label. So that's good. I'm going to change the background transparency to 1. That looks nice. So depending on where a player dies, you can probably see their location. So now we're gonna have to adjust this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert a rig. You can also insert it from the toolbox, but I'm just gonna do it right here because it's easier for me. Here's our rig. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna select the dummy's head and paste it. So we can't exactly see it, so we're gonna have to position it to be a little above the dummy's head. So I'm gonna change this middle value to 5. It's much better. Now we're gonna move this into replicated storage, and this is optional, but I'm gonna give it a name. I'm gonna call it death indicator. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna put a script into server script service and program this to occur when a player dies. So it's gonna appear onto or on top of a player's head on death. So we can do that by doing game.players.playerAdded connect function player. So this is when a player joins the game. Then we're going to do player.character added connect function character. So this is the player's character model, so the one you see in workspace. And then we need to detect it. We need to detect the character when it dies. So we're going to do character dot humanoid dot died connect function. Okay, this is good. So now let's define the replicate storage service replicate storage, and then let's reference the death indicator GUI storage dot death indicator. Good. So what I'm going to do is when a player dies, I'm going to clone this. So local death tag equals death indicator clone, and then I'm going to parent it to the player's head. So I'm going to do death tag dot parent equals character wait for child head, and then maybe I'll wait. Actually, this is good enough. So let's test this. So when I die, there you have it. So overall, this was a pretty basic thing to script. So I recommend you to merge this with a bunch of different death features, such as a ragdoll, some script that drops blood off of a character when that character dies, and other things. So I'm going to show you my own implementation of this death indicator right now. So that's how I use the overhead death GUI for my game. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.